Okay, something so exciting is happening. Something that hasn't happened in several years, right? We are cracking fresh Dungeness crab. We are at our friends Lyle and Diane's. We're headed to a campground the next day or so. But Lyle went out crabbing this morning, and I would have to say he was quite successful. How many crab did you get, Lyle?
We got 31 crab.
Oh my gosh.
And in my opinion, I've had a lot of different types of crab. Most people think the king crab is the best. King crab is pretty rich. Dungeness, this is Dungeness, and to me there's nothing better.
It's the only way to go, I think.
Yeah.
West Coast is the best coast.
We should go out crabbing and do a video on it.
We definitely need to go out crabbing.
The crab will be better. I do this all the time. Shells in this one, meat in this one.
We know who to blame when we bite into
Right,
shells.
because I make Dave's famous crab cakes, and sometimes you bite into a shell, and it's usually Irene's fault.
Definitely not my fault.
As I just admitted I'm doing it.
Typically, honestly, I'm at work while this is happening. Usually I get out of it because I used to be at work all the time.
Get out of it.
I usually just get to come and enjoy the crab cakes. But fortunately this time I am not working, and I'm going to be suckered into shucking all these crabs.
Oh.
So
All right, I gotta take a break. I'm pretty well whooped.
lightweights.
Yeah.
This is what we came up with. It's gonna be a few crab cakes, huh? Can't wait. My splash guard came in handy too. I'm feeling fresh and clean underneath here. You're jealous? Don't be jealous. Yeah, ew. All right, time for you to make crab cakes.
Oh, yeah.
Not yet?
Busy.
Busy. Ah, okay. The master is starting the famous crab cakes.
Master.
Whoa. What's your secret?
What?
What's your secret?
French wine.
French wine. That's the secret.
Yeah.
Just
All right.
more crab than cake.
More crab than cake. I like
Yeah.
how that sounds.
People do too much filler.
Yep. Let's pop
All
these
right.
in the oven, see how they turn out. Crab cakes. What do you think? How'd you do? Are they as famous as ever?
Your tartar sauce, though. That's,
I think it's all about the crab cake.
Hmm.
I think it's because Lyle caught the crab too.
Mm.
It's especially delicious. Cheers. We'll see you guys at camp tomorrow too.
Yeah.
Well, I think we'll have more crab cakes at camp.
oh,
Do we have silverware?
we'll show you how to really eat crab cakes tomorrow.
Crab cakes for breakfast. That's our plan. Stay tuned. Headed to camp. We are headed to Elk City Campground. This is maybe 10 miles out of Toledo, Oregon, up the Equina River. So it's right on the river.
It's midweek, so with any luck, we'll find a spot.
We've got a crab cake production thing happening. Ooh, English muffins up. And Dave is out here on egg duty.
Oh, now I'm gonna mess up now.
Oh, the pressure's on. Lyle's got the crab cakes
Yeah,
in
we
this
have
little
that.
contraption over here.
We're on a
Nice.
sailboat.
Yeah.
Is that what that's from?
That's off a sailboat. Yep.
Well-
That's from Dale and Jewel.
Yep.
Hi, Dale and Jewel.
Hi, Dale and Jewel.
Thanks, Dale.
Wish you were here.
Yeah. Good stuff.
I can't wait. I'm really hungry.
I'll need a plate for the eggs.
Got it. Hi, girl. This is our breakfast concoction. We have English muffin, crab cake, tartar, egg over medium.
Thank you.
This is gonna be delicious, trust me. This
Oh yeah.
amazingness. Look at that. It's gonna be so good.
Very good.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Lyle, though, he broke all the rules. He made a sandwich.
Yeah.
It's a
Tartar,
sandwich.
crab cake, egg. Oh my gosh. Is that the way to go? Yeah? Dang. How is it? Oh, you during a deconstructed situation. What? Everyone's doing their own thing.
Pistol's upset.
Yeah, she wants some crab cakes. What's our plans for the day? This is it, right?
A lot of nothing.
A lot of nothing. Doing this.
Might have to get the bike out.
Might get
We're
the
gonna-
bike out. I would show you Diane, but she's camera shy, so you're just gonna
Hello.
hear her voice off
We're
screen.
gonna do like back
You can show
in
me, but you can
England.
edit it.
We're gonna do like back in England. We're gonna eat, drink, and be married.
I like the sound of that. Cheers to that. Eat, drink, and be merry.
Cheers.
Good morning.
Morning.
Our alarm clock was the train.
Yeah. I didn't hear it.
That was
My
the
alarm
s-
clock was you getting up.
You didn't hear it?
Nope.
It went by twice, actually. Once at 4:30 and
Did you see that? There's a big fish here. We were sitting in camp, which is right there, and this salmon, Chinook salmon, run up through here, and blueback. So I don't know if that was blueback or a salmon, but it was a big.
that was a big one. Ooh, Lyle's right at it. Catch us some lunch.
Yeah, I hook like a 30-pound Chinook on this light tackle. It's gonna be an event.
I better stand by with the camera. I'm hoping we have an event.
Well, I'm only fishing for blueback right now.
Oh,
That's what I'm hoping for.
okay. Looks like you guys got some big ones down there. Here I am. They're both caught up. They both snag the tree at the same time. I guess no fish for dinner today. Whoopsies. We have breakfast. Lyle, talk to me. What are these?
These are
6 week
6 week muffins.
Okay. I was going to say 100-day-old muffins, but
Yeah.
that's not it.
6 week, yeah.
6 week muffins, and this is a recipe your mom.
My mom's recipe from years ago. Yeah.
Wow. And the idea is you make a huge batch of batter and then you just keep it in the fridge, and whenever you need one or two or a dozen, you scoop them out and bake
Scoop
them.
them out and make them, and the batter is supposed to last for 6 weeks in the fridge. So
Wow. And what's in them? I know golden raisins and bran.
yeah, you'll have to ask Diane. Bran and
All bran flakes, flour, sugar,
golden raisin.
Golden
golden
raisins.
raisins.
And I have to
Butter.
say, they are delicious.
They are.
They're super good.
Your mom knew what she was doing.
Yeah.
Bruce and Karen's. Now, last time we were out here, Bruce we traipsed through his property and he cut a piece off his black walnut tree. Check it out. Timber! So between now and then, or then and now, Dave actually carved them a walnut spoon. It's pretty cool. I love it's pretty cool. I love the markings on it.
Tool marks, you mean, or just the wood mark?
Well, both the wood and the tool mark.
It was a tough piece to carve. I just had the one piece, but it was a branch that I didn't know until I got into it. Had a lot of knots in it, a lot of grain swirls. So normally I wouldn't even bother, but I knew it would be a cool piece if I could make it work. But those knots are really difficult to carve. But I thought it'd make a nice little, like a small serving spoon.
Yeah, I love it. Cool. And tomorrow is the fly-in. We've got a fly-in happening. We're at Bruce and Karen's. This is Karen. Karen, what's happening? Tell us what's happening.
Well, we have, I'm not sure how many, private airplanes that are going to fly into our pasture. And this is something, I think this might be about the 4th time we've had this.
Yeah, so about once a year or so. And yeah, so I've never been here for this event, so I'm pretty excited I get to be here now. Is this a good spot, you think?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so they'll come in right over here.
Okay. Whee! Whoa! Is there another? Is that it? I think the fly-in has flown in. That looked like a wild ride. Fly in, fly out.
Not for me.
Not for me. No. Too little, too bouncy, too crazy.
Yeah. Should have that brand new dead cat thing up there, but you don't.
I know, I don't. I just wasn't prepared for the wind. Oh well, what's on our agenda next, you know?
Let's go see Grayson.
Yeah, okay. Seeing my nephew, he just took a trip with my brother to Yellowstone. I'm excited to see how that turned out. And so we'll catch you on the other side of that. Carry on.
Carry on.